In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to Figma to code in one click, how to use Visual Copilot. We'll start right inside Figma. Open your project so you're in the file that contains the design you want to turn into code. Make sure the design is finalized enough that you won't need to make major structural changes afterward. The cleaner your layers and names, the smoother the export will be. Next, open the Actions menu and navigate to Plugins. In the search field, type builder.io and select the Visual Copilot plugin from builder.io. Launching it inside your current file ensures the plugin can read the layers and styles it needs from your design. If you don't see it in the list, double-check your spelling or confirm that it's available in your plugins. Once it opens, you'll see the plugin interface ready to work with your selection. Now, click on the specific component or frame you want to code. You can select it directly on the canvas or through the Layers panel. Picking a single, well-defined component gives you the cleanest output. It helps to choose a component that's properly grouped, uses auto layout where appropriate, and has consistent spacing and naming. This gives the exporter better signals for generating structured code. With your component selected, choose Classic Export in the Visual Copilot interface. Classic Export is the straightforward path to getting a production-ready snippet. It translates the visual structure into code while keeping the layout logic intact. If your design uses standard Figma properties like auto layout, constraints, and text styles, those choices will influence how the code is generated. Then wait patiently while Visual Copilot processes your selection. It's analyzing layers, styles, and layout rules to assemble clean code. Processing time varies based on the complexity of the component. Larger, deeply nested layers may take a bit longer, so give it a moment to complete. Once the export is ready, scroll down in the Plugins panel. You'll see a section with the generated code and a clear copy button. Click Copy to grab the full snippet. From there, you can freely paste that code into your preferred destination, whether that's your code editor, a component library, or a sandbox environment for quick testing. Be mindful of any required assets, fonts, or global styles your project relies on so everything looks as intended. A quick visual check after pasting helps confirm the layout matches your Figma design. That's it. Open your project, run Visual Copilot, select your component, choose Classic Export, wait for processing, then copy and paste the code where you need it.